Welcome back guys to Mixer channel where we do drinks, cocktails and whatever the imagination takes. As you can see guys, we're outside because it's an absolutely beautiful day and why not do a video outside again. But today's drink guys is the Black and Blonde, which is the lager at the bottom and then the Guinness that sits on top. So it's quite a simple drink and nice and easy to make. So I'll show you how to make a Black and Blonde. Bit more. So next bit now is to layer on top the Guinness using the bar spoon. It will not be fun this, because it will be easy if you had a bottle to do it. Say it's layered on it, it's good to say, but it's coming down fast, the Guinness, so it's not a strong lager that I've used Galahad. Because the difference between the Black and Blonde and the Black and Tan is, with the Black and Tan it uses a pale ale, this is just lager. So I don't know if it's colored, but as you can see it's coming through very quickly, because it's only a weak lager that I've used Galahad. Because if you have a stronger one, it would sit better. That's sat on it, but it's coming down very quick, the Guinness. Right, and as simple as that, that's how you make a Black and Blonde. How does it taste? Because it is mixing very fastly. It's alright. So it's certainly alright. It's mixing together because it's quite nice, I'll be honest, it is quite nice. I prefer Black and Tan to be out. I think I prefer pale ale with the Guinness. I think it mixes a lot better. That's how you make the Black and Blonde, a nice, simple, quick Guinness drink to make, because they're just Guinness and lager mixed together, or set on top. And that is the last of the Guinness drinks for now, as we will be going back to cocktails, because it's been fun this series that I've done for the last month or so, because I've really enjoyed it. But we'll go with more of a summer theme, slushes and hopefully Porn-style martini as well, because I've got a few ideas up the sleeve that I want to show you guys in the upcoming weeks. But now I'm 308 subs, so I do thank you for all the support. It's been absolutely fantastic over April and May as well, because I can't thank you enough for all the support over the last 6 weeks on the channels. It's really helped it to grow, and hope you guys have enjoyed the video, so thank you for that. But that is all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It, as my goal is 500 subs before the year's out. Can I do it? Any help towards that is appreciated, so I really do appreciate the support. But I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.